Okay, this is my computer and I can't find an external hard drive that I just plug in. It doesn't show. So this is how to fix that issue. So I'm going to my computer and I right click here on the right. Here's my computer. Let's right click and I'm going to manage. Here is the administrator privileges. So I say manage and there will appear a screen like this, and I will go to disk management and find the disk that is not showing up here. Let's wait a little bit to show up. It's one disk that is called backup and it's not showing up. Okay, here are all the disks, photo and video backup, my store photo video. So the one that is not showing up is, let me see, it's one that says backup. Not this one, this is another one. This is okay, this is working. Is this one, this says backup finished video raw pics, and it doesn't have a drive letter. The other ones all have like a drive letter, like this SD card has M, this Seagate backup plus drive has Q. So this one is the one that is not showing up. It's backup finished video raw. As you can see here on the computer, is not there. So what can you do to make it show? So let's go here and you're gonna right click on the disk and then you're gonna change drive letter and paths. And actually there is no one right now. You cannot change it, but you can add it. So press here what it says add and then choose one letter available. I have a bunch of disks, so I don't have too many letters available, but I'm gonna choose this one, T, and okay. And now it's there, right there. It's showing all its content. It's right there, backup finished video raw pictures. Now I can browse the content, and now here on the disk computer management, disk management, it has already this letter T. So that's it. If you like the video, please give a like. You like the rest of the content, you wanna maybe learn how to speak Spanish, you can subscribe. Thank you.